Okay, so now we're going to talk about the live stream for YouTube and the new Studio Beta on how to do that. So I'm going to minimize this page and I'm going to open up my YouTube page by clicking on my little tab there for YouTube. And now, even though you don't click on Studio Beta, this is new. To me, it's new. So you click on this little icon up here where it looks like a movie camera. Click on that, and then right here where it says Go Live, you click on Go Live. And it's going to bring up your Go Live page. And it says cannot be accessed because it's being used by another application. Well, that's true because I'm using it to record this. But if I was not, you would still get a notification here, and I'll do a screenshot of one and put it up here, that will tell you to refresh the page. Well, what you have to do is you have to come down here to the lower right hand corner where it says Encoder Live Stream, and you have to click on that. And then once you click on that, you can minimize your page. Well, it's going to come to your live page. It says right here, it says offline. But when you minimize this page, and also this page is going to be lagging behind your OBS page. So you minimize this, bring back up your OBS page, and you would click over here where it says start streaming over here. Because right now I've got it in record mode, so it says stop recording. I'm going to stop recording in a minute. But so you got to have the OBS program, and you got to have the YouTube channel live stream page up before you can start live streaming. So now I'm going to stop this video and take a couple of screenshots to add to the video. And this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another video for you soon. I hope this helps you out and solves that problem of why you're getting that pop-up. Hey, stay tuned. This is Harold signing off, baby. Signing off.